To all nurses celebrating this day, our International Nurses Day, congratulations. We celebrate your contribution to healthcare services and making sure that the people you care for get the best health outcomes, whether they are in the hospital or in a community setting. And as we celebrate this year, we take this moment to also acknowledge this year's International Nurses Day theme, Health is a Human Right. The WHO Constitution envisages the highest attainable standard of health as a fundamental right of every human being. Health is a human right, and it's a fundamental right that underpins so many other things in life. And nurses play a critical role to addressing these and to making a difference. Nurses are placed well and play a key role in a multidisciplinary team approach to support and advocate for their patients and the people they care for. They are most times the first and sometimes the only healthcare professionals that people will see, especially in remote and rural areas. In these remote areas, they have a responsibility as the trained and competent professional to work with and support community healthcare workers and those from civil societies to ensure our maximum outreach to the most vulnerable populations. As you know, universal health coverage is a priority of WHO. And strengthening primary healthcare is key to making a real change and impact at the country level through an integrated, people-centred health services. This is the right time to revisit the nurse's role and what more we can do in primary healthcare and highlight how we can make the difference and impact at country level. We know that when the communities and people trust and have confidence in their healthcare providers, they are more readily to comply with advice on health well-being and treatment plans. Because they work closest to people in communities, nurses are positioned well to gain this trust. They are also more likely to pick up and mitigate potential disease outbreaks and can intervene early and respond earlier to emergencies. Put simply, nurses will make an impact to the realization of UHC. Nurses are doing amazing work to improve access to healthcare, to educate populations, to address poverty, and protect the human right to health for all. Nursing is an extraordinary profession that is equally rewarding and challenging, and I thank you for all the hard work and time and care and passion that you are giving every day, everywhere, to making a difference to people's lives, because health is a human right. To all the nurses, I wish you all the best and hope you are really celebrating being a nurse on this most important day. Thank you all.